Sure.
From everything around you, and then you can actually listen to yourself.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah.
I would love to do something like that. Something that I find myself doing a lot is if I see a beautiful landscape or something, I will try and see if I can find an angle of it where there's nothing man-made in the view. Because you know what it's like? Like you see a beautiful hill or something and there's a telephone pole in the middle of it or a lamppost or something. So doing something like that where there is nothing but just Mother Nature and the silence and being with yourself,